Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and today what I'm going to do is just talk you through a turnaround manoeuvre on a straight stretch of road. It's fairly level. I'm in an automatic vehicle, and this is the procedure that we use. First of all, before we do the turnaround manoeuvre, we make sure that we're parked parallel to the curb. I like to get fairly close into the curb. I'd be about that far away from the actual curb. That's probably about 15 centimeters. And then what I do next is I do what's called the 6-point check, and that is checking up ahead, checking, make sure we're clear behind, make sure my two wing mirrors that it's all clear, and make sure that I've checked my shoulders either side, because these pillars, pillar B here, can hide things in the blind spot. And also we're in a suburban area, so there could be people coming out of the driveways, etc. So when I do the maneuver and I've done my 6-point checks, I indicate for 5 seconds, I put my foot on the brake, I've got the handbrake on, I'm going to go to drive, release the handbrake, pop a shoulder check, and I'm just easing off the foot brake. I'm not using any accelerator. Okay, now I'm just going to bring on the slightest amount just to get up over the crown of the road and making sure I'm on full lock to the right. Then I'm stopping before I get to the other side, and while I'm scanning, I'm selecting reverse gear. Then I'm just looking over my left shoulder, just checking that there's no kids on bikes or anything behind, scanning up to the right and the left. Still, my eyes are on the move, stopping just before I get to the other side, popping it back into reverse, moving on, into drive, moving slightly, and then working the wheel to the right, and around we go. So you can use your pull push or your hand over hand steering style for that maneuver.